Hi guys, good morning. So today is 13th of May and let's quickly look at the momentum stocks. But before that, a quick comment on the market. Market looks really strong to me. Nifty may find a 500, 600 point drop due to some unexpected event at any point. But again, as I said in my previous videos, we specifically look at momentum stocks. Um, we are not looking at index because index does not tell you the truth. Individual stocks tell you the truth. So there are a lot of stocks which are actually in very, very strong momentum. So let's start with the NBFCs, the banks, and so on. Hmm. So first of all, we have Bajaj Finserv, which I think around 2000 is a good buy. You might have gotten an opportunity last week. Then 8750 Bajaj Finance is also pretty decent buy. It went up yesterday a lot. Then you have BEL, which is military company, defense company. I think in defense, this is the only stock which I would buy. If you look at 7th of April, it had a big, big drop to 260, but then it recovered. And it has more or less stayed above the blue line. So the blue line is around 305. So around 300 is when I would make a fresh entry into the stock. So until it hits 300, it makes no sense to buy it. Then you have Bharti Airtel, maybe buy it below 1850. Again, amazing local story. They're doing really well. Then you have Cholamangalam. Cholamangalam Finance is doing amazingly well. I would buy it below 1500. Then you have Indigo. Indigo went down because of the war and then came back very strongly. Maybe it is a little bit too stretched. So look for an entry below 5400. ICICI Bank, again, amazing stock. It touched 20 DNA and it just went up. If we look at these two in the middle, in the end. So 1400 hits 1400 and jumps to 1450. Then you have HDFC Life, again, extremely strong. Insurance sector has positives because the government is opening up the sector. Then you have HDFC Bank, again, amazing stock, 1900, you can buy it. Eicher Motor recovering quite a lot from its 52, oh, sorry, this red line, which is the 50 DMN. So amazing recovery. I think long term, the stock is not bad. That is the only stock which I would own in auto sector. Then you have Kotak, which is again, you can buy it even today. I think Kotak will do well. And then you have TVS Motors, which went up again. Eicher Motors, TVS Motors, those are the two which you can look at when it comes to auto sector. So mostly the stocks are in NBFCs, a little bit in auto, and then travel, which is Indigo and Indian Hotel and so on. So, and then again, obviously, BEL, which is a different stock. So it's a mix of very strong local economy stocks, which you need to focus on. Obviously, Nifty may go up and down, but I keep telling you, focus on individual stocks. We had some amazing picks last week. We picked up Indian Hotel around 710, which was amazing pick. And also there was a fresh entry in Indigo around 5,100. So that is those are the two which are pretty good stock, amazing stocks. So this is a little bit of where we stand. I don't see the market falling. I have made a couple of videos last week where I said that market or Nifty will not get too much impacted because of war. Market does not look at information today. Market looks at information or news which will come in 6 months from now. So that is a big difference in terms of thinking. So this is the video for today. We'll see each other tomorrow. I'll just repeat the stocks: Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, BEL, Bharti Airtel, Chola Finance, Indigo, ICICI Bank, HDFC Life, HDFC Bank, Eicher Motor, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and then the final one is TVS Motors. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.